Hi, Chris from Dr. Beasley's here to talk about a product today, Salt Chisel. Chicago is getting nice and warm out. We're getting away from the frozen winter, and we are seeing a lot of beat up interiors with a lot of salt staining. So this is what we're going to look at today. We got our 2012 ML350 that has endured a long Chicago winter that now needs to get healthy. So let's help it get healthy with our Salt Chisel. So a really neat story about this product, and like many of our products, it actually came from a problem. So one of our authorized detailers, Scotty Mac Lean up in Nova Scotia, Canada, came to us with an issue. He had salt-stained carpets that he did not have a product for. So just as Dr. Beasley always does, we found the solution. That solution being Salt Chisel. So our first step is getting your vacuum. We're going to want to go ahead and vacuum up any loose contaminants that are on the surface of the rug. Step two, after we've removed all the loose contaminants with our vacuum, is to actually break out the Salt Chisel. So we're going to want to go here is we're going to want to apply the product to all the soiled areas that we see here that the vacuum really couldn't do much of anything to get any of these stains out. So we're going to go ahead and spray this on there and let that dwell. So what we're doing here is we're letting it work for us. No reason for you to put the elbow grease and all the effort into it. Let the Salt Chisel do the work for you. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing the Salt Chisel actively break down these contaminants. So what we're going to do, we're already seeing some fading of those contaminants here. It's already starting to get lighter. So we're going to go ahead and continue to give this some time. Let's give it at least a couple of minutes. We do not want it to dry on the surface, but at the same time, we want to give it dwell time. Let's let the tool work for us. So to go along with our Salt Chisel, we also have our horsehair interior brush. This is a very valuable tool to have, so we want to give it moderate pressure. Again, let the tool do the work for you. And we're going to want to go in all directions. So now that we've scrubbed sufficiently and we've loosened up all our contaminants and our salt that we've tracked into our Mercedes, now it's time to wipe up any excess product that we have left over. You can see we had to go a little bit heavier with the Salt Chisel in the areas that were really caked on with that salt. So we're going to go ahead and remove that excess product with our microfiber towel. And that's just simply just rubbing over the nap in all directions. So we're just pulling up all the excess Salt Chisel with our microfiber towel. And you can see we have removed all our road salt stains after our harsh Chicago winter. So now that we've completed all our steps, we have done our vacuuming, and you can see that we have a salt-free floor mat. So just to recap how we were able to achieve such amazing results. First, we started with a quick vacuum to remove any loose contaminants, and then we went ahead and sprayed on our Salt Chisel, giving it ample dwell time. And also, don't be afraid of multiple applications. Again, let your tools do the work for you. So after we apply our Salt Chisel and give it ample dwell time, we come back with our horsehair interior brush and we do both up, down, left, right, circles, whatever you gotta do to agitate and loosen up the rest of those salt contaminants. And then once you're done with that, we're gonna come back with our microfiber towel and just give it a wipe down to remove any excess product that might be remaining on the surface of your floor mat. And lastly, we always like to finish it up with another vacuum again just to give you those nice little stripes. So, thank you for viewing our little tutorial on Salt Chisel. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 773-404-1600. You can also email us at myteam@drbeasleys.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.